Taiwanese automaker Kymco recently unveiled its upcoming electric bike concept Rivonex at the EICMA 2019 Milan Auto Show. This bike looks futuristic and elegant in terms of design. Just like Revolt RV400, Rivonex also having an artificial engine sound to excite the bike riders. Coming to the bike specifications, people who are looking for a high-end electric bike with gears, this motorcycle is a treat for them for sure, because this bike equips with an advanced 6-speed gearbox that allows bikers to enjoy the ride feel of a conventional motorcycle. And the motorcycle is covered by an all LED headlamps and tail lamps. Also, a TFT instrument cluster displays speed, battery indicator and range. In terms of speed, the bike can accelerate 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.9 seconds, and its top speed is an answer to all the electric vehicle critics, because this motorcycle maximum speed is 205 km per hour in just 11.8 seconds. However, Kymco haven't announced other specification details like range, battery capacity, motor specifications, etc. And this high performance electric motorcycle will be launched into the market by 2021. Go green, go electric. Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.